The Ninja Foodi Max Dual Zone Digital Air Fryer isn't just an air fryer, it's a complete mealtime solution. With 2 independent cooking zones, you can prepare 2 different foods in 2 different ways and have them ready at the exact same time. Each drawer operates with its own function, temperature, and timer, making it easy to create complete meals without juggling multiple appliances. Inside, you'll find 6 versatile cooking functions: max crisp, air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Whether you're roasting a chicken in one drawer while air frying crispy fries in the other, baking muffins, reheating leftovers, or making homemade dried fruit, the possibilities are endless. And if you've forgotten to defrost dinner, the max crisp setting can take frozen food to golden perfection in minutes. One of the biggest advantages? It's energy efficient, using up to 65% less energy compared to conventional ovens. And thanks to the air fry function, you can enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying. The capacity is equally impressive. With a total 9.5 liter capacity, you can cook up to 8 portions at once. Each drawer fits up to 1.4 kilograms of fries or a 2 kilograms chicken, perfect for family dinners, entertaining guests, or weekly meal prep. Cooking is also fast, up to 75% quicker than fan ovens, so weeknight meals are ready in record time. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick dishwasher safe drawers and crisper plates, which means less scrubbing and more relaxing after dinner. The Ninja Foodi Max also comes with a chef-created recipe guide, giving you inspiration right out of the box. Its sleek black design complements any modern kitchens, with a 2-year guarantee, UK and ROI registration required, and the durability Ninja is known for. This air fryer is built to last, making it a worthy investment for healthier, faster, and more flexible cooking. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.